Let me show you how to connect your InterLink with your social media pages. And what do you stand to gain by doing that? You will find out. So we are on InterLink airdrop mining app, and if you're not already here, I'll leave you my invite link in the pinned comment of the video, and it's on the Telegram page, so you can jump on it, register, and start mining. So to link your social media pages, you can simply click on verified ITLG from your home page here. You scroll down to connect social, right? So let's click on connect here. Link social accounts. You have Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Alright, so I have already added my Instagram, and let's click on add social account. This is where you have to click if you want to link an account. Then you select the social media that you want to link. Is it Facebook? Is it TikTok? So let's go with Facebook. Now you have to get your Facebook profile link and paste it here. That's the very first step. So I'm here on my Facebook, so I'll simply click on my profile picture here. So this opens my profile, right? So I click on this three dots here. Then my profile link is here, so I click on copy. So I bring it over and I'll tap on the paste button here. It's been pasted. I click on next. So it says you can connect up to 5 accounts. The more accounts you connect, the higher your HCS will be, right? I just clicked on next, and they have equally given me a code here with some hashtags. So you have to copy this and go to the same social media page and post it. If you have a video or a photo you might want to post with, it would be nice, because photos generally are known to attract more engagement on social media posts, right? So go through maybe InterLink logo or something. Actually, you can just paste this what you've copied. It contains your ID, but then you might also want to say something. So I'll click on next, and not now. I'm not share it to group. But do your thing. If you want to share it to groups, fine. So this is the post. It has been shared. So from here you can click on the three dots here, you click on copy link, and you bring it over here. You scroll down and you paste it here. Then you click on continue. Then you click on confirm, and boom, you have successfully connected your Facebook, right? So you can do this for every other social media account that you want to link, right? The benefits, it says the more social media accounts you link, the higher your HCS, right? So that's how to connect your social media account on InterLink, right? So legends have it that this project is going to cook. It's prestigious amongst all the other projects that we have at hand. So let's hope that they really cook. So thanks so much. Go register and don't sleep on InterLink. Not financial advice though. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.